Crafty here. Welcome to another video. Today I have a small unboxing from a new to me company, and that is Diamond Delights. Also, stay tuned until the end where I have completed a couple of these and you will receive my honest opinion. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have wanted to do something small and thought this would be a perfect opportunity to do so. First of all, these are stickers, diamond painting stickers, and I also went ahead and purchased a sticker book that I can put these stickers in. I've always enjoyed stickers, especially when I was growing up, still do. And so I thought this would be really fun just to collect some stickers from them and from other places too. And just to take time from my really large diamond paintings and to be able to get some completions. So I don't remember how many sheets are in here, but you're able to put your stickers on here. So here's that. I had to get purple, my favorite color, and thought that would be really fun. So I'm going to move this over to the side. Also, if you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, welcome back. They gave some stickers here. These are like borders, which I thought was really cute. That was just an added gift. These are holographic, some of them are, so it may be hard for you guys to see this. Just be a little fun to decorate my sticker book. Okay, this has the information from Diamond Delights. I will put their website underneath the description in case you are interested. So let's see what we have here. Each one of these are in individual bags, which makes it really nice. So the first one is Love Dragon. Sorry for the crinkling. I'm trying to be careful. So let's see what all is in here. So in this large bag, there's more bags. Okay, this gives us our if I can pick it up. This gives us our schematic. There are 11 colors in this one little bag. So here's our little Love Dragon. Again, very small. And then once you're done, and some of these are stickers and some are not. And this says Art by Snail Fishes Stitches. Okay. And of course, it just has our cover on there. There's a lot of this to keep up with. There's a little sticker there. So I'm going to put that in my logbook. And I'm not counting each one of these stickers as a completion, as a diamond painting completion. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. If you work on these, let me know how you count them. If you do so many stickers and then you just count that as a diamond painting, or if you don't count this at all. So here are our little baggies. Of course, there's not very many because it's not very big. And these are actually baggies, so that will be nice. It does have the number, the DMC number on here, but it does not include on here what this goes to. So I've got to be really careful to make sure I put all these back in their baggies. This actually has some special drills in here. I didn't realize it was going to have any specials. It even tells us on the schematic that it has 4 specials in this Love Dragon. The next one is a Skull Dragon. Here is the Skull Dragon. That's kind of cute, kind of creepy. And then we have our drills there. And then we're going to have our schematic. I'm not going to open all of these drills. Let's put this back in the bag that I ripped. It gives us a size 4.7 by 5 inches or 12 centimeters by 12.4 centimeters. It even tells us it's a square with 7 colors and 2 fairy dust. And these are all art by Snail Fishes Stitches. That's a lot to say. This one's really cute. The Tea Dragon. They have 2 sets of Pastel Potion. This is set 2. They were out of set 1. This one is 21 colors. And we do have, let's see, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 special drills. So here is Pastel Potions. I was really interested in this one too. The next one we have is Frog on a Big Mushroom. So this one has 10 colors. That will look really nice in my logbook. It is art by Nick Swarren. It is Snail Fishes Stitches, 4.2 inches by 4.3 inches, or 10.7 centimeters by 11 centimeters. It's a partial square, and there's 10 colors. It also lets us know there's 1,231 drills on this one. Now, this I thought was really cute. It's different. So here's our little frog, and it goes on this little stand here. So when you're done, you just put that on there and you have your little frog. And then here are all of our colors. Now, this one does let us know that this is 007S there, which will help. I'm keeping all this stuff together. One thing that I will say already, I don't like these bags. They almost feel like the parchment paper, the feeling of parchment paper, and they're not easy to open they're not hard to open, but they rip very easily. This one is the Book Dragon. I will be putting these in something else and keeping them all together. Probably easier to keep up with anyway. Here is Book Dragon. This one has 9 colors with 4 special drills. This is another art by Snail Fishes Stitches, size 4 inches by 3 inches, or 10.2 centimeters by 11 centimeters. It is a square with 9 colors, 1 AB, and 3 fairy dust. I'm a book lover, so I thought that would be really cute. I enjoy dragons, so that would be a lot of fun. So there is our Book Dragon. And again, I'm not sure how I'm going to count these. I'm just going to count these as off canvas, which that could be a thought too. This next one is called Captain, and especially taking these to retreats would be a lot of fun as well. Didn't take me very long to get these in either. Okay, here are our drills. Then we've got this little cutie. Captain is art by Denick, size 2.6 inches by 3.2 inches, or 6.6 centimeter by 8.1 centimeter. This one's a round with 8 colors. Very small. Isn't he cute? And then this is a little sticker here. It says Wanted Captain. And then it has little information there. Wanted for 3 billion. Wait a minute. Wanted for 3 billion dells. Report to the nearest station for bounty reward. So when you're done, you can take him off. He's a sticker, and you put it on here. So that is super, super cute. I am going to decide which one of these I'm going to do. I'm not going to do all of them, but I want to do a couple of these so I can give you my honest opinion and also have a little bit of fun. So I'm going to work on this, and then I'll be back shortly. Okay, I was able to complete 2, which didn't take me very long. And I did 1 round and 1 square. And I have to say, I prefer the squares between these 2. So I'm going to show you first the round. I had plenty of drills left over, as you can see in all of these bags. Some only needed 2 or 3 drills, and they gave you quite a bit. So here are the colors for those. They did have a lot of static in them though. And as you can see, I did not kit this up. I didn't even bother to put the stickers on here. I just looked at the DMC. I really like this. I am going to put the schematic in my logbook, just in the back, along with this little sticker here. I'm just going to put all the ones that I purchased together on one page of my logbook, even though I'm not going to have all of them done. And I think that it's also going to help me with the information of how many colors and what the centimeters were. Here's the Captain one that I finished. I did go ahead and put him on this wanted sign, This is also a sticker, so I can just peel it back and put that in the sticker sheet book. And I'm going to do that after my month in review because I want to have these on my month in review as completions, even though they're not counted as diamond paintings. So that is the first one I did. That one's round. The one thing that I did see on this one is that with the rounds, you have to be really careful. If you look at the hair, and if you look at it flat, you can see some of the gapping through there. With the other colors, it wasn't so bad, but the hair was a little more. I did the hair first, so I think I got used to how their rounds were. You have to put them in the center of the actual symbol in order for them not to show. But I thought he turned out really cute, considering how small he is. The next one I did was Love Dragon. Again, I kept this, gonna put that in my logbook. And the sticker, little sticker is over here. Here's a sticker for a Love Dragon. I have them upside down. Okay. And then again, I had plenty, especially with like all the special drills. Here are all the drills. These were even more static than the captain. And then here is Love Dragon. I'll show you this a little bit closer. I still cannot figure out how this looks like a dragon. To me, it looks more like a snail than a dragon, but it's turned out really cute. This one did take a little bit longer for some reason, but I did prefer the squares. Maybe it's because I do prefer squares anyway, but I wanted to just pop in really quick and show you these two completions and show you how adorable that these are. Thanks so much for watching today. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also, if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you here. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.